Hey, it's Ty and welcome back or welcome to my channel if ngayon mo lang ako nakita dito sa YouTube. And now I am back with another episode of Taste Test by Ty. So after almost 2 weeks, I am back with another episode of Taste Test by Ty. At ang try natin for today's video is yung 2 newest drink from Starbucks. So ito yung kanilang Wicked offering kasi na-release na yung movie na Wicked. And yesterday napanood ko yung movie, as in a must watch talaga siya. And nahook ako even though hindi ko napanood yung trailer or wala akong idea kung ano ba yung Wicked na movie. Sumama lang kasi ako dun sa kila ate, kaya yon, nahook naman ako dun sa movie. And for sure papanoorin ko yung part 2, pero yung part 1 must watch talaga, panoorin nyo. And ang ito-try natin nga is yung Wicked offering ng Starbucks. First is yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. Actually, itong Alpha Buzz Cold Brew is medyo aesthetic siya tignan for me kasi combination siya ng cold brew and then yung parang green foam sa taas. Kaso, nagmix na siya. Kitang-kita nyo naman, green na green tong drink na to. Ito yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. And yung isa is, syempre, kung nandyan sa Alpha Buzz, syempre, meron din tayong Glinda. So, ang counterpart niya is yung Glinda's Pink Potion. So ito yung ito-try natin for today's video, itong dalawang newest drink nila, Alpha Buzz Cold Brew and then yung Glinda's Pink Potion. So yon. So if interested kayo malaman yung comments and thoughts ko about these drinks, just continue watching. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell button para notified kayo whenever I upload a new video, and comment your video suggestions if meron kayong gusto makita sa channel ko. Teka lang, malamig. Hinanatisi. Just comment it sa comment box below. And if accessible sa akin yan, talaga nga namang ito-try ko yan sa harap nyo. And also, please do follow me on my other social media accounts. Flash ko na lang sa screen yung handles ko. Maybe here or somewhere dyan. But without any further ado, umpisa na natin ang taste test. Siyempre, bago natin umpisa ng taste test, you know the drill. Sa pricing muna tayo. Both are 195 pesos. So yun, 195 pesos for tall size. Maybe unahin ko yung Glinda's Pink Potion kasi mas excited ako i-try yung yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew kasi may kape. I think tong Glinda's Pink Potion wala tong kape. So try na natin. And parang pink drink nila. Let's see if pink drink lang to, inibalay pangalan. So try na natin. Cheers. Bango, fruity scent agad pagkabukas nung cup. So cheers. Try na natin. So next natin ito try is yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. So tapos na ako sa Glinda's Pink Potion. Ito naman yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. So excited din to try this. So try na natin. Finally matatry ko na siya kasi dun sa pinag-stayan ko ngayon walang malapit na Starbucks. Kaya ilang weeks ko tong crave. And now finally, I mean, ilang weeks ko siyang gustong i-try. Hindi pala crave. Ilang weeks ko siyang gustong i-try. And now I have the opportunity to try. Kaya try talaga natin yan. So ito yung Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. Actually dapat nga 2 days ago pa lang ito-try ko na siya. Kaso I'm not feeling well and wala din akong panglasa. Kaya pinospone ko muna. And now I'm getting better. May panlasa na din ako. Kaya na-continue na na-push through na yung taste test natin. Ang dami pang commercial. Try na natin tong Alpha Buzz Cold Brew. So, game, try. Grabe. Gusto ko siya i-try with straw kasi feeling ko may something yung ilalim eh. Or hindi siya na-mix masyado. Minsan gawin nyo rin yun, i-mix nyo muna yung drink para matikman nyo talaga yung drink. Kasi ako minsan iniinom ko talaga siya without even mixing it. Kasi kadalasan merong something sa ilalim kaya hindi na nahahalo. So tikman na natin yung mixed version Elphabas Cold Brew. So tapos na tayo sa taste test. It's now time for my comments para sa newest release from Starbucks, which are yung Elphabas Cold Brew and then yung Glinda's Pink Potion. So unahin natin tong Elphabas Cold Brew. For the Elphabas Cold Brew, napaka-pungent nung matcha dito. Yung pala yung green is matcha. And also meron siyang hint ng minty. Medyo minty na, pero hindi yung overpowering na mint. Medyo minty lang sa throat and sa taste. Meron siyang minty taste, pero hint lang subtle lang. And yun nga, medyo pungent yung pagka-matcha niya, as in overpowering. Parang pag sinip mo siya, mas malalasahan mo yung matcha than the coffee, which is I think mas okay sana to if mas kape yung nangingibabaw, pero yun talaga, every sip napaka-strong nung pagka-matcha niya. Yun. Siguro kung mahilig ka talaga sa matcha, magugustuhan mo to. And yung matcha na hindi matamis yung matcha talaga, as in legit na matcha. So yun yung masasabi ko dito sa Elphabas Cold Brew. And actually alam ko may drink din sila na ganito, yung matcha espresso yata yon, or matcha espresso fusion, something like that. Alam ko may drink sila nun, and I don't know if the same ba to doon, pero I think hindi pala kasi na-try ko na yon. Ito may minty taste and mas strong to. Gusto nyo yun, kinore ko din yung sarili ko. And for the Glinda's Pink Potion, I think hindi ko to pala na-try kasi ito yung may coconut, pero very refreshing siya. Nandiyon yung fruity taste, fruity goodness ng mango and dragon fruit. And also I love the crunch from the dried mangoes and dried dragon fruit. And yun lang. Ako kasi pagdating sa Starbucks, mas preference ko yung coffee than the refreshers, yung mga lemonade, pink drink. Mas ina-order ko talaga yung coffee. Pero ayun, if mahilig ka sa refreshers, sobrang solid na tong Glinda's Pink Potion. Sobrang refreshing, as in first sip ko pa lang na-refresh ako. And ayun nga, I love the extra crunch from the dried fruits. Kaya yun, try nyo na rin tong Glinda's Pink Potion. So yun lang yung masasabi ko sa 2 newest drinks from Starbucks. Hi, tapos na tayo sa comments. Tapos na rin ako sa taste test. It's now time for my rating para sa dalawang bagong products from Starbucks. So unahin natin tong Glinda's Pink Potion. For the Glinda's Pink Potion, bibigyan ko yun ng 3 out of 5. Yon, sobrang refreshing siya. And yun, i-try nyo na and let me know your thoughts by commenting sa baba. And also, if na-try nyo yung Elphabas Cold Brew, let me know your thoughts then if same tayo nang nalasahan sa kanya. Pero ang rating ko sa Elphabas Cold Brew ay buti may napapag-drum rollan ako. It's 2 out of 5. Surprisingly, mas okay sa akin yung Glinda's Pink Potion. Pero ayun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, mas preferred ko umorder ng coffee than refreshers. Kaya, pero sa taste, mas lamang sa akin yung Glinda's Pink Potion than the Elphabas Cold Brew. So yon, that's it for this episode of Tastes by Ty. And if you enjoy watching my video or kahit hindi nyo yan na-enjoy, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell button para notified kayo whenever I upload a new video. And please do comment your video suggestions if meron kayong gusto makita sa channel ko, kasi I need it December na. Oh, first episode ko to ng Vlogmas this year. Every year naman tinatry ko mag-participate sa Vlogmas kasi hindi ko talaga kaya yung daily upload. So, yeah. So, malapit na palang Christmas. So, yes. Sana mas marami tayong upload this December. So, abangan nyo yan sa aking YouTube channel. But for now, this has been Ty, and I will see you guys on my next one. Cheerios! Bye-bye, TY!